Look at gold go. Yeah, them buys were looking real good. Let's check it out. So yeah, I didn't get into these buys. I probably should have taken this entry that just... Probably should have taken a re-break of this high. It's quite a decent stop loss for gold as well. 27 pips. But yeah, nice move, nice move. Alright, if I get a bottom wick here, I'm looking to take a break of this high. Come on, don't push up with no bottom wick. Jeez. Jeez. But I like this bullish run it's having. Daily's obviously still bullish. Four hours about to break the previous 4 hour highs as well. 1 hour closure above. Yeah, these buys look good to go. Just need a bottom wick. If I get a bottom wick on this 30-minute candle, I'm in. Come on. Gold has been playing today. Gold has been playing today. Just needed a little bottom wick. That's it. Would have been in, you know, little entry here. Decent stop loss. 33 pips. Exactly, Rosie. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. Okay, just making one now, it's good. Hello, hello, hello. Caswell, your trade is surviving. Just about. Oh, you have a bottom wick on your broker. Let me check my broker. Let me check. Yeah, I don't have no bottom wick on mine either. Yeah, I got no bottom wick. Zilch. Alright, while I'm waiting for gold's bottom wick, see what's going on with pound yen. So I did actually take some sells earlier on. I took a break of this low. I actually took the candle flip as well. So I had 2 entries coming down. You have a tiny bottom wick. Shoot, I wish mine was at least tiny. Really ain't nothing there. Look, this is just what mine looks like. Flat. So that bottom wick is coming. That bottom wick is definitely coming. But yeah, pound yen, I caught the sells down. Closed partials here, got stopped out. by this wicked candle right here, but I still think it sells down some more. I still think pound yen drops a little bit, so hopefully a closure below, and in the next 25 minutes I'll be in a trade. But still waiting on this bottom wick for gold. I really want a bottom wick for gold, to be honest. Let me move this mic. Alright, here we go, bottom wick. And it's already broken a previous high, so it should re-break and push up. It's these wicks to the left, I'm just not very fond of them. I prefer GJ cells. Yeah, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. GJ cells, they do look kind of cleaner, but it's the market structure for me. Yes, it looks, yes, it's a cleaner market move, cleaner structure, you know, definite downtrend structure. We don't have a clean range down. I mean, on the 1 hour we do. So yeah, if 1 hour closes below, well, any closure below here, we're pretty much good for the sells. Oh, my volume's low. Hold on. How's that? Is that better? Mic check, mic check. I think I was too far from the microphone. Is that good? But yeah, I'm gonna leave gold for now, I think. I'll miss the entry that I did want, which would have been this candle. Yeah, I think GJ sells, pound yen sells will be the one. Perfect, perfect. And you would have thought gold would have just pushed after it broke this high. That's another thing that's making me a bit cautious. I was expecting more of a drive up. Not to say it won't happen, it's just, yeah, it's really taking its time. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the pound yen sells. Hopefully get a closure below next 20 minutes. Looking at a 1 hour impulse entry on GJ. Okay, once it breaks this low. Looks good, looks good. Me, I'm gonna wait for the closure. Was gold pushing finally? Yeah, previous 1 hour low. Yeah, I wouldn't. Me, I like it. Obviously, because I want the sells, but I can't sell into this support that's right here. So yeah, once I get that closure, that's my confirmation. It's the perfect confirmation for me. Nice breakout, and then drop. Oh, pound yen's taking his time. So how was you guys' London session? You not take any moves afterwards? Yeah, the sells, normally I don't really take trades at this time, but I saw this happening. I was talking to, Benny did mention a closure below, and I wanted to see how this candle closed. And it was a nice close. Yeah, it was a nice little push down. Quick half an hour trade, 20 pips, 2 positions. Nice little breakout. Oh, gold pushing. So my TP for gold, it would have been this resistance up here. Yep, 130 pips away. I mean, it's a clean range all the way up. Yeah, gold is gone, it's gone. Yeah, clean range up. Not bad trade. And there's no news today for gold, so it should just keep pushing. I mean, it is bullish. We don't have Trump speaking until, 2 in the morning? So I guess it's tomorrow now. 2 in the morning UK. In fact, let me check what the time is. If he's going to be at the White House at 2 o'clock, so let's see. What time is 2 a.m. Washington, DC in UK? It'll be 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock, Trump and Elon are talking. I wonder what they're going to say this time. Yo, 1 second, I'm going to put the heat on, it's cold. Ooh, look at gold. Gold is flying. Wow, wow, wow. Clean range all the way up. Clean range. Okay, gold is pushing. Pound yen, you gonna drop then? Looks like it. Pound yen's dropping. Go on. Gotta wait for this closure. Also took GJ Sell's impulse entry. You're on fire today. Yeah, GJ should drop. Hopefully it waits for us though. Damn. Still 11 minutes, just under 12 minutes. So what I don't want is for GJ to close back above that support. That look clean. Could possibly get a retest of like 29.20, but yeah, I think gold keeps going. I think it keeps on going. We have a daily wick fill on GJ also. If pound yen breaks this low as well, it's definitely gonna push some more. And that's what down here. Like yesterday's low. Yeah, it's about here. Previous low. But yeah, I think we I like the GJ sales. I've been waiting on it all day, to be honest. So definitely been waiting on these sales all day. Got the early ones stopped out. Now looking for a re-entry. 190.83 wick fill. Cool. Why stop at the wick fill? You think it's gonna just fill the wick and stop there? Have you actually set a TP there, or are you gonna like have a runner that just keeps on going. Come on, GJ. I'm gonna enter more sells after the closure. Hey, Winfinity, what's up? What's up? We're just waiting on our GJ sells after this closure. Hopefully, if it stays below here in the next, what, 7.5 minutes. Missed the gold buys. Well, yeah, sort of. Didn't have a bottom wick. Price created a bottom wick. And then it just pushed up. But we got Caswell in them buys. Super clean range up. So for me to get into gold buys now, I just need to see some structure. So we've had this push. I need a resistance. And then a higher low. And I can buy up from the support. Or really, my TP's up here. So you're in the gold buys. Lovely. You caught the breakout. Yeah, I missed the first one. I did want this entry here. And then it started to push down. Because I mentioned the close above in the chat. And then it was messing about. Then I was setting up for the stream and then it pushed up and I kind of missed the next push, but it's all good. Had pound yen sells earlier, so you know I'm not really feeling the FOMO. You got in earlier with a generous stop. Don't you find these days that gold stop losses are like minimum 35 to 40 pips? Minimum these days. Gold broken resistance will be retested. I would like for it to come all the way back down. Stop loss under my desk. Yeah, they're massive. I've been using 15-minute candles now instead of the 30-minute. Just 15 minutes for the stop loss. Just to make them a bit smaller. Stop loss downstairs. Okay, bigger stops but taking bigger TPs. Yeah, you kind of have to. Well, it makes sense. As long as you got a decent risk reward, I suppose. I try not to take negative risks. Have negative risk rewards. Like reducing my stop losses and stuff. But yeah, I think, 20 to 30 pips, maybe 30 to 40 pips on gold. It's pretty decent. Come on, GJ, stay below here. How far is it to the next? 23 pips. Yeah, I still like these GJ sells. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely need some structure on gold before I get into anything. The GJ is dropping. Oof. GJ has been a bit of a problem. It's going to be a 1-to-1 trade here. Probably less than that if it keeps dropping. Oh, let's see how it closes. Look at that 4-hour. So this is what I was saying earlier about the 4-hour creating a resistance and a lower high. So nearly got the retest. It was very close. GJ may break that support from yesterday. Do you know what? I'm anticipating that GJ not only break this support, but I really think GJ is going to drop. I think we're going to get a decent drop. Because once it breaks this support here and we break yesterday's low, I think we get a nice push. So yeah, I think it definitely breaks that support and keeps on going down. We might have a little bounce there because it is a 4-hour support. So just a little reaction to that level. I'm just glad we're getting some movement. Yesterday was painful. Yesterday was too painful. All right, we've got the closure below. Just gonna wait for a top wick. And then have a little sell stop here. So what I might have to do is if I get entered in, I'll use the previous high as a stop loss and then move my stop loss lower. Oh, this is good, making a nice top wick. Go on, break the low, keep going. Right, I've been entered in. Actually got slipped a little bit, as per usual. Definitely gonna have to look into futures. There's no slippage, right? Kind of want a wick fill, so daily wick fill down to the lows. Do you remember the Chinese indicator? I do. I do. I do remember the Chinese indicator, which shows whether prices are whether a currency is bullish or bearish. I do remember. I might have to look into futures. I might. I don't really need a prop account though, that's the thing. I've lost hope in those. I mean, the profits were good. That's what pretty much funded my my main accounts. Currency strength indicator, that's it. Do you know what? There was a guy that I learned from called Adam Koo. And in his course, like he's one of the people whose course I bought, he taught me about EMAs. And he had, on Telegram, he had a Chinese indicator, currency strength indicator, that would update like every couple minutes. Yeah, I definitely will. Because I like to research things and look it up. I know I'd need to back test it using it because it's ticks instead of pips. And I've kind of know a bit about it. But yeah, I'll definitely give you a shout. Come on, GJ, push. All right, in the meantime, what's gold doing? Yeah, I want a bit of a pullback on gold now so I can get in. You have minis and micros. Yeah, there's a few people that I used to watch stream, and it seems like everyone's gone on to futures. Well, they've kind of had to, haven't they? And the people I know that still trading with that MT5 in the States and stuff, they've got these crazy brokers where they can use up to like 1,000 to 3,000 to 1 leverage. 1 to 3,000. It's nuts. I just don't feel like them brokers are going to last long. Eventually get shut down because they're serving US clients. But make the most of it while you can. Yeah, it is crazy leverage. Oh, you're in the gold buys, right? What's your TP for gold with Infinity? And who's that with was it Top? Was it Top Step you said? Cool. Just no currencies, that's the problem. But I mean, if I got a personal, that's I'm trading my currencies on like GJ. wouldn't even mind. So what I used to do, there was this copy trader that I used to use. I used to have multiple prop firms and then just put all of them on a copy trader and then just trade one account and it'll copy over all of them. Like little monthly fee. Hmm. $9.30 on a Rwanda. What's that? That's how a 4-hour level used to be. Why 9.30? 29.30. I used social trader tools. Social trader tools. It's pretty good. And you could set like you could set your own stop losses and TPs using that. So anytime I entered on my main account, I could say right maximum. It'll put in an automatic stop loss of say like 25 pips or 30 pips. Yeah, it was really good. That was when I was using my Forex funds. Had a couple accounts with them. But yeah, it's really, really good. And it works with a lot of different platforms too. Come on, GJ, where you going? I'm not sure. So I only started using C Trader recently. But with C Trader, you can create your own copy it for free. But you have to have other C Trader accounts. So yeah, I copy over other accounts on C Trader already. Saying retest. I would love a retest of this broken resistance. Still 20 minutes left to go as well. The one above was the only one I could find back then to copy trade with C Trader. So Top Step use C Trader as well. C Trader is the best platform in my opinion. Like way better than MT5. Obviously 10 times better than MT4. I'm not gonna lie, seeing MT4 upsets me. I'm like, come on. Like, it's so much better out there. Even MT5, it just runs so much smoother. The features are better, especially on your phone. And then C Trader came. And I think why C Trader is good for newbies too is because you can see what your margin is before you even get into a trade. Oh, FTMO days. Oh, okay. Yeah, C Trader will tell you your margin before you get in. It'll tell you your pip value. Brilliant. You could also like see how much you could win or lose. Okay, Top Step have their own. So with futures, these companies, they have their own platforms that you trade through, right? Because they're not using MT5. Was that the retest for gold? Kind of looked like it. Now it should reverse and fly. That's better. Shit. Oh, gold's not finished pulling back. Trade of 8. That's where I've seen the name before. I was thinking about doing that for with my IC markets, just trading straight from TradingView, but I don't really like it. GJ, what's going on here? So GJ's pushing up, gold's pushing down. For me to get into some gold buys here anyway, I need a support. So I need the next candle. I guess the 130 candle at this point. I need that to form a support, and then I'll get in on some buys. If this candle closes back below this resistance, I don't know. If we get a bit of a retracement, C trader is much better to trade with. Oh, 100%. You love C trader. So I remember I had to first get people to go over to MT5 from MT4. And there's always some type of resistance until they move over to it and they're like, okay, this is better. Of course, it's newer. But yeah, some people, like most of my American friends, obviously they couldn't get C trader. It's a shame that they don't offer it in America as well. They kind of get screwed over there. This GJ trade, kind of forgot about it. See, trade is the best platform. I agree, I agree. A pound yen. Once this candle closes, I'll probably move my stop loss lower. So I wouldn't want the next candle to break the high. I either move it lower or if it breaks the high, I'll cut some positions. Depends on how far this candle pushes up. But I think we might be getting a continuation pattern. Weak bullish candle. And then we can get some more, well, it will continue to sell down. Okay, gold's done the retest. Now I'm gonna flip and push. Oh, it's pushing up. Look at that, it was a perfect retest. Wow. Shit. Break at this high, 57 pip stop loss. Even on the 15, it's like 45 pips. Come on, GJ. So GJ's playing. Seems so. But gold is pushing. Taswell, how's your trade going? Did you close partials? Or are you still in from that same entry? There we go, pound yen. Just made a bigger top wick. Yeah, he closed with profits on gold. Nice, nice, nice. Get that money back from earlier, right? That was a good push up. Definitely a good push up. I'm gonna see how gold closes though, if it stays above this resistance. It's just swinging up and down right now. I'll keep an eye on this open trade. W trades, indeed. It should be up on this this GJ trade too, right? I anticipate gold pulling back first and doing some BS. Mild news in 8 minutes. What news is in 8 minutes? Oh, Empire State Manufacturing Index. Yo, that used to be red folder news, you know. It actually used to be red folder news, and then it got bumped. There's a couple bits of news that got bumped. So Empire State Manufacturing Index, consumer sentiment as well. That was one. I remember being red folder, and all of a sudden it's orange. But yeah, I don't even pay attention to these orange folders anymore. Yeah, I see the Canadian CPI. Do you reckon that will have some effect on gold? I thought like Canadian news more affected oil. But either way, let's see. We'll know if there's a bit of a spike. We'll know what it is. What's the forecast for that news? Empire, oh, it's bad numbers though. Minus 1.9. I'm sure they want that to be positive for it to be good. Yep. Above 0 indicates improving conditions, below indicates worsening conditions. Last month was very low, minus 12. 50-50, sometimes it moves gold, sometimes it's nothing. No wonder it got a downgrade. Makes sense. Well, we'll see in 4 minutes. Poundian, what are you doing? Does CAD affect gold? I'm not sure. I didn't think so. But we're going to find out Well, there's two lots of news at the same time, so it could be either. Oh, the gold just push. Okay. But it affects dollar, which affects gold. Okay. Well, 2 minutes left. You know what I'm gonna do? Even though it's not high impact news, still gonna split the screen. Keep an eye on both. Hello, hello. What's going on? Skip some of them slow songs. Gold looks like it's gonna fly. It really does. Gold looks like it's gonna flip, break that high, and just go crazy. It really does. What are you gonna do, gold? Yeah, nothing crazy. All right, so this is a continuation pattern on gold. Bullish candle, weak bearish candle, then we should get another bullish candle right here. If it breaks these highs, I'll be in some gold buys. Would like to use, might have to use the previous 15 as a stop loss. So maybe like 46 pips. Looks like that's what it might have to be. So I'm gonna put a little buy stop on right here. See if we can get filled. Yeah, I'm still holding GJ. I'm not giving up on pound yen just yet. But if it does break this high, I'm gonna close 50%. In fact, no. If it gets to this support, if it retests this support, I'll probably close some. Like if it pushes up, yeah. Because it could just be retesting that broken level. I'm still quite bearish on GJ, so this could just be structure forming. But I would like gold to make a nice bottom wick and then flip. But yeah, still in my pound yen. It's only what, 10 pips and drawdown. That's nothing crazy. Alright, I'm going to get a gold entry here. I'm keeping an eye on GJ's price. So it's like 191, about 191.12 is where I'll be closing some. Yeah, about that. Yep. So yeah, I'm closing 50%. So I've got half a position running. And stop loss is about, look, 22. So I'm keeping an eye on that price. But I want the gold buys right now. Shit, gold's gonna pop. I hope gold does something. Just taking his time about it. Well, you know, still have a clean range. To be fair, this level's already been broken, so it's, I don't say it's not valid, but it's just a potential stopping point. But now, if this current candle doesn't break this high and respects this resistance, then we could be continuing this pullback a little. And I'm still going to look for a support to buy up. Oh, never mind. So my buy stop's about 29.19. Still holding GJ. Oh yeah, definitely. Now GJ either hits stop or it continues going. And if it does re-break this low, I'll probably add some more positions back. So yeah, I'm good on GJ. Holding 4 positions on GJ. Nice one, nice. Yeah, you don't really close partials, do you? Close 4 positions. Good for you. You're better than me. Oh, gold. Close. Oh, just got tapped in. 28.19. Right, using the 15 for a stop loss, 32 pips. GJ's coming back down. Gold pushing up. That's it. Everything go where you're supposed to go. Slow movement, innit? Go on, gold, pop. Gold will push. It's a clean range. It is a clean range. It is. Candles are still trending. Breaking highs. There we go. Damn. Was that so hard? I'll get to 10 pips, then 20 pips. I've got a 1.4 pip spread on gold. It's usually less than a pip. Interesting. There we go, 10 pips. It's a good push. Go on, push past that broken resistance. Once we clear that area, we should have a very nice push. Alright, what's pound yen doing for the pound yen traders in here? It's just hovering above this 191. That's what I don't like about psychological levels, like flat numbers. You don't really get a clean push through it. This is a perfect example. Like if you're gonna push up, push up. If you're gonna push down, push down. But instead it just hovers around these prices. Crazy ranging on a 5 minute. Go on gold, let's go. Let's go. Alright, we're at 20 pips with gold. I'm gonna get to 30 pips and I'll take some off. GJ pushing up. Doesn't look very good, does it? This gold pullback is not nice. Look where it's pulled back from too, right from that previous level. Yeah, if it comes back to the entry of this candle, I think I'm going to close the position, you know. I really like it. It's like it's rejecting that previous level. Yeah, I'm taking this off. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. The way gold pulls back, yeah, I'm closing that. I take a 10 pip loss, no problem. That's why that level's there. An area of resistance. Ashley. Oh, GJ still surviving. You're holding gold. Yo, hold. I don't really want to give back much of the profits I've made today. So I don't mind taking the 10 pip loss. Still up about. I'm up. Oh, GJ, I closed about 25 pips, so about 40 pips. Minus some of this little GJ position. Gold can still go. Oh, gold. You know what's crazy? I came into gold today with a bearish bias, just based on yesterday's candle, because of this exact pattern, but in the opposite direction. So you got the strong bullish candle, weak bearish, and then a bullish candle. Yeah, the best buys were a bit lower. I'm down here, break of this high. Nice little breakout. What did it get to? 63 pips. About 63 pips. Let's see where this 30-minute closes on GJ. If it closes back above this support, then I'm just going to close the rest of the position. But if it just holds underneath, then hopefully it's just a retest and it continues down. But I know this gold is playing. GJ is a retest, is bearish. Do you know one thing with pound yen? Yeah, pound yen will push like in one direction in one session and then do the opposite in the next session. It's been doing that a lot recently. So like, look, Asian, we pushed up during Asian, we pushed down during London. Now we've already kind of had the reversal of the day, so we could continue down for NY, which I would like. I want at least a retest of this 4-hour support. Then it can do what it wants after that. But I think if it gets to this 4-hour support and we break yesterday's low, we're going down. Look at the ranges. Look at the ranges below here. Clean. Just have to get there. Right, where would I add my position back if we break this low? So 190.9293. That's what I'll be looking to get in again. Gold wanted to wait till the end of the candle to push up again. Okay. Cool. Oh, let's focus on pound yen for a minute, 'cause this is where the trade is. I mean, do you know what? If I wasn't so bearish on GJ, I probably would have closed full, but I really like the sells. Still holding. Good stuff, good stuff. Good stuff, Rosie. Good stuff. Good stuff. Gotta love trading, eh? The GJ retest would have been a good entry too. It really would have. You're not lying. Like getting in there again, be what, 12 pips up from that entry. Yeah, I do take retest entries sometimes. I think if I wasn't trying to manage 2 trades at the same time, nah, I wouldn't have got in. Nah, I wouldn't have. But if I'd missed this initial entry and then I got the retest, that I probably would have got in there like that. But I wouldn't have added the position in a loss. GJ was a lovely retest. Now that's a retest. I mean, both of them, both pairs had a nice retest today. So GJ there, obviously gold here. Both pairs. Come on, GJ. 20 seconds. Close bearish. Okay, GJ's going down. Of course it is. I was waiting for market open. All right. What's gold doing? Our GJ's over here playing. Oh, pushed up. You guys got a bottom wick this time? Do you have a bottom wick this time? I still don't have a bottom wick on my broker either. No bottom wick, just straight up. I'm going to reduce my stop loss just a little bit. Because if it breaks that high, then if it gets back up there, I'm out. I don't want it to break that last high. I mean, we should drive down. We've broken the previous low. You break the 1 hour low? Nearly. No wick. You talking about on gold or on pound yen? Because I have a little wick on pound yen. Right there, but gold, no wick. And I mean, this is a new 4 hour candle too. We gotta get a bottom wick. On the 4 hour, definitely. Yes, I'm gonna wait for that pullback, but I've gotta be coming. Come on, pound yen, where's the energy? Where's the volume? On gold, no bottom wick. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and gold on a 4 hour, it needs that bottom wick. Where did it open? 1878. Yeah, it's got to create that bottom wick. It's coming for sure. Yep. Oh, pound yen's gonna have us waiting all day, isn't it? I really hope not. I really hope not. Previous GJ 4 hour was huge. Yeah, it really was. Should drop, just need to survive the wick. Yeah. 4 hour top wick. I mean, even just by the 4 hour, it just looks so bearish, right? Should get at least a retest of this support. You know, like 4 hour to 4 hour, that's how GJ moves. And we're not far away. What's that, like 40 pips? Let's see where we're at. 31 pips. Yes, it's not crazy. It's not even far. Wow. Didn't survive the top wick. Oh, that's insane. Oh, it is what it is. It is what it is. Look at that. I'm glad I reduced that stop though. Yeah, I think we all got stopped out on GJ. Even if you held the last stop. That's why I reduced my position. Because I thought if it breaks that high, that's it. It don't look good at all. And look at this push up. Yeah, this is a serious push going on right now. Four-hour top wick. Man, look at that. Why it tapped into this previous resistance here. Wow, what crazy price action. I think after that I'm probably like, what, 30 pips up for the day. I think this gold L was probably a 10 pip loss for no reason, to be honest. I mean, it didn't really, came back to the entry, came back to the candle open, but I didn't really want to take 20 pips off the table. I want to take 30 pips off the table. And this pullback here from this level, I didn't like it. I mean, we still kind of have a rejection wick. How many trades do you take per day possession? I aim for about, I want to say maximum trades I would take on a day would be, I would say 4 to 6, because over two sessions, so like London session, if I find a trade on gold and GJ, I'll take them both. And I'll also be open to like giving the trade a second chance. But I wouldn't give both trades a second chance, both pairs. So I'd say maybe like 3 in the morning, 3 in one session, 3 in another session. So today, I took sells on pound yen this morning. I took these sells down. I got out when the candle closed. So yeah, about 25 pips. Now I got down when it pushed down and then it started pulling back up. Yeah, it's about 25 pips. I had 2 positions on here. So yeah, about that. About 4 to 6, that's maximum. Sometimes it's 1 trade per session. Sometimes it's no trades in one session, 2 in another. Like, it varies, but no more than 6. Gold's pushing now. How are you splitting risk? Is it 1% per trade? I try to keep it to about 1%, but maximum our risk is like 3%. And that's because I don't change my stop loss, my lot size. I keep my lot size the same. So I try to go for a maximum stop loss size. But if I'm using a big stop loss, that's when you'll find me cutting positions very quickly to reduce that loss. So yeah, I could start with maximum about 3% risk. But yeah, I'm usually never losing a whole 3%. And like today when I took the 2 positions, so I entered at this candle flip up here and I used entry candle stops. And then the break of this low. And I still use entry candle stop. So my stop loss was quite tight here for that trade. And then once it pushed down into this area, I moved my entries into my stops into break even quite quick. Well, it wasn't quick. It was about 14, 15 pips up. I was at break even. So yeah, I managed my risk quite quickly. But if I've got a smaller stop loss, I'll use multiple positions. Oh, voicemail. One sec. Also, what are my session times? So from 7 a.m. UK to about 9:30. And 9:30 is a bit late, but yeah, 7 till 9, and from about 11:30 till now, like 2:30. But if there's like late news in the US at 3 p.m., then I'll trade a little bit later, maybe till about 4. Or if NY's is very quiet, or London's quiet, I'll trade into a little bit later into NY. But yeah, about 4 o'clock is my cut-off times. I don't want to be trading and it feels like I'm doing more hours than a 9 to 5. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to me. Plus the volume is the times that I'm looking at the market. If I don't catch it then I'll just leave it. So I don't really back test later than New York Open or after that New York news. So yeah, you'll see me kind of go quiet after 4. I'm done for the day. I usually have school run around 3. Oh, 100%. 100%. Yeah, I don't really like looking at the charts the whole day. It's just too long. Or half term, yeah. So you get a rest, get a bit of a break. Well, not really, because I guess you got kids around. Half term is not really a break, is it? Kids at home isn't a break. It's not. It's true. Did I see? Oof. Look at gold, man. Gold's about to make the bottom wick. Yeah, exactly. I was just looking at that. I can't believe pound yen is back up in, well, it's kind of in the range because it hasn't closed above here yet. I can take that off. But yeah, I like this indicator infinity. I like this indicator here. Saves me having to put the daily flip on every day, like where the daily candle opened. It just does it for you. I do like that. That was a good touch. Oh, phone call. One sec. I wish I got a call from the market maker. Yeah, sorry about that. I don't think I'm gonna get an entry on gold now. How are you guys? You guys still in these gold buys from earlier? Oh, who's calling me again? Sorry. Oh man. Got in after the 15 flip. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Nice. I mean, I was very bullish on gold today. Very bullish. So it was just where to get in. And I was very bearish on pound yen, but pound yen isn't going the way it's supposed to. So 29.26. Well, it's kind of 29.27 for the TP. Wow, look at that. Market open. Ding, ding, ding. I wouldn't even take a buy here now. That's it. I'm not going to give this trade a second chance. It's pushed up too much. Gold is going to pop. GJ holding below this resistance. So maybe GJ will continue to sell. Oh, these gold buys were beautiful today though. Damn. The closure above was just too good. Anyone still holding from down here? What? Up over 100 pips? Or not 100 pips? Depends what you got in, really. But yeah, it's been 100 pips push up from this resistance. Yeah, for me to get into gold now in the next hour and a half, which I don't think I'll even do. Again, I would need a little resistance, a support, and then buys up, but it's pretty close to my TP now. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there, I think. I'm gonna keep watching the charts. Got in at 11:30. So you was in down here. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. And you're holding to about 29.30. So what's that? That 200 pips? Or ticks? We call them ticks. Yeah, you're nice, you're nice. So I did a, I can't remember when I put it in the chat. So I do a daily analysis where I look at 30-minute buy levels, 30-minute sell levels, 4-hour buy levels, and 4-hour sell levels. So I was looking at this support here as a buy level, like another retest to then push up. But I didn't really I didn't like the structure. Like we were making lower highs and lower lows. So I needed that breakout, which obviously happened, but didn't manage to get it. But yeah, good trading day, good day today. We're back tomorrow. Tomorrow morning is, I kind of want to stream it. It's going to be pound CPI. Pound CPI tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm going to be there for that for sure. I do like a bit of CPI. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be up for that. I'll try to start about 10 minutes before the stream, before the news. So about 6:50. And what news do we have for gold or USD? Oh, FOMC meeting minutes. So yeah, probably, well, depending on what the market's looking like. I might stream NY session tomorrow, depending how well London session goes. So yeah, guys, see you tomorrow. Or in the Discord. I'll still be active in there. Still gonna have my eye on the charts. Later.